Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "She Refuses to Show ID, Doesn't End the Way She Expected."
On January 28, 2024, officers got a call to a Waffle House after reports of a heated domestic argument.
Give me your license.
I'm not giving you my license. What do you need my license?
If you don't give me your license, you're going to go to jail.
Why?
For failure to apply.
No, that's
failure
I haven't done anything.
Failure to identify yourself.
I don't have to relinquish my identity.
You do.
For what?
Because we got called, okay?
A call for what?
Because he put his hands on you.
He did not.
Okay, well, I'm going to ask you one more time to give me your license before we go to jail.
I'm not going to jail. Give me the reason why I need to relinquish my identification.
Because it's the law. Right. No, that's not the rights. It is.
I haven't committed a crime. I have not committed a crime. I haven't done anything.
Okay.
So tell me
I
why
don't care
you need
if
my
you're paralegal or not.
I haven't done. I know my rights.
Do you?
I do.
Evidently, you need to study them more.
No, I don't.
Because I'm going to ask you.
I haven't done anything. And you know, just like he knows, I haven't done anything to commit a crime.
Do you want to go to jail tonight?
I'm not going to jail. I haven't done anything.
Do you want to give me your license?
I'm not giving you my license because I haven't done anything.
Okay, stop talking to me real quick. If you don't provide
I can call my attorney.
If you don't provide, listen, talk. Stop talking. If you do not provide your license, you will go to jail.
I'm going to call my attorney.
Okay, well, she's wrong.
Anyways.
I'm calling my attorney.
Okay. Give me your license.
I gave it to him.
Okay.
I gave him my ID. I wasn't.
You don't have to relinquish your identity.
One of them ready. Copy George.
Call our attorney. He hasn't done anything. I'm going to
051 222 971.
Call my attorney.
Tone it down before you go to jail for disorderly. I don't have my phone. My phone is in the car. But I didn't accept that. You said
I'm asking him to call our attorney, our family attorney. I'm asking for a law, a representative of the law, and y'all know.
Damn. 3 in the morning, almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Waffle House. I mean, yeah, this says it all, man. You know what I mean? Like when I go to Waffle House, you know, I go early. You know what I'm saying? Like brunch, things like that. You know, yeah. But going at 4 in the morning, I don't care what Waffle House you got. I don't care. 4 in the morning. I know, you know, going out drinking, stuff like that. It's open all night, you know, so it's a nice spot to go to, you know, but you only asking for trouble going there at night like that.
Christopher, don't say anything else. I'm asking for him to call my attorney.
I'm not going to call your attorney.
I can ask my fiance.
Failure to identify yourself is against the law.
I do not. I can have my attorney speak on my behalf.
No, ma'am.
Yes, I can.
No, ma'am.
That's why they can't. That's why they're not saying anything.
Right, that don't make
Christopher, do not say anything. Chris.
He got my license. What am I doing? What am I doing?
I'm asking for my attorney.
Step out of the car from me. Turn around.
Wait, I didn't really see the black. I didn't really see the dude do too much. He just standing there, you know, but maybe I'm missing it, but.
Call our attorney. Call my attorney. Don't say anything. Call our attorney. I'm asking for my attorney. I'm asking for my attorney. I haven't committed any law. I'm asking, why am I being detained? Why am I being detained?
Oh, you're not being detained. You're being arrested.
Why am I being arrested? For what? I haven't done anything.
Ma'am.
I'm asking for my attorney.
You want anything out of this car to go with you?
I don't have anything but my license. I haven't committed a crime. I'm asking for my attorney.
I didn't ask any of that. Do you want anything out of this
I
car
only
to
have
go
my
with
license and I'm driving that vehicle. I'm responsible for it.
Do you want your purse?
I have my license. He's not able to drive. I'm driving that
Do you
vehicle.
want your purse?
I do. I want everything to come with me.
Damn, what police department is this? They ain't got no funding for no new vehicles?
So, the call we got was from somebody inside saying that he put his hands on you. Okay? At the end of the day, it is against the law for you not to provide your driver's license to us.
I just want my attorney to speak on my behalf.
Well, I'm not going to wait on that.
I understand,
okay.
but I know
so as of right now, you're under arrest for obstruction for not providing your identification, okay?
I have everything in my pocketbook.
It's too late for that, okay?
I'm just trying to figure out what she did so that to understand where we can return her.
She failed to provide her identification, so therefore she's going to jail, okay?
I'm saying that her identification is actually
She didn't provide it, okay?
So she got.
Are you gonna listen to me?
Yeah. Why you yelling?
Because you're not listening.
I'm just talking.
You
You're not
over talking.
listening.
So why do I have to listen to you if you don't listen to me? Because we're both citizens.
It's my call, okay?
But you're not the.
Do you want to go to jail for disorderly conduct?
So what am I doing?
Listen to me then.
Okay.
You're not gonna drive the car, okay? She failed to provide identification, so she's going to jail, and the car's getting towed. Okay, you're free to leave.
What are the? When will I be able to bail her out or whatever the case is? Because I'm gonna bail her out, even though that it's not. I'm just.
When we get to the police department, I'll let her call you.
Where is that at?
Literally right down the road.
So, but how long will that be? Like I gotta come back 2 hours later, or 3 hours later?
15 minutes, she'll have a bond.
Yeah, 15 minutes?
15 minutes.
That's what we're gonna do? So then can I ride to the station with y'all?
No, you cannot.
I can't ride with y'all?
You can walk.
All right, give me the address. I have a car coming to pick me up.
700 Doug Davis Drive.
I'm going to take her.
What did you say?
700 Doug, like the man's name.
Doug, I gotta find something better to do out here, though.
D-O-U-G.
D-O-U-G.
Space, yep.
Right here?
Right there, yep.
She like that shit. Y'all gotta find something better to do out here, though. She like, which one? I'm trying to look for. Whatever you said, 15 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. You really don't even have to waste that money. You can walk. It's right up there.
But I'm not walking nowhere. I don't even know where I'm at. You know what I mean? I just moved down here.
Right, but I'm telling you, it's right there.
But man, I'm not
Look where this car is going. It's going right there, right past them. That last set of lights and make it right there before you even hit the next block. It's not even a block.
I'm not walking nowhere. And I'm gonna make sure I get in here and get my food.
Wow.
He's just stubborn. He don't. Whatever. Just waste money. Just waste money. She like, yeah, he can't even drive. This is just all out of. So he put hands on her. He's not getting in trouble. She's getting in trouble for failing to identify. Wow. Unbelievable.
What do you want me to do? You want me to sit out here? Y'all just going the extra mile.
No, but you're acting like it's so important, but she's right there. Like you can just walk there. You gonna get the waffles first.
You said it's right there?
Yeah.
You said
It's right there. Literally
But
right
I'm not walking up there. Would you walk up there?
I would hope that whoever was with me would walk up there to come bond me out. I sure would.
Well, I ain't. I don't walk nowhere. That's not my problem.
Okay.
Like a citation or anything?
So obstruction is not a citation, okay? Alright. So once you fail to identify yourself in the state of Georgia, it's considered obstruction, okay? So you'll have a bond in like 15 minutes or less. So he already said he's gonna bond you out. So I'm gonna allow you to get his number out your phone or whatever, and then you can call him. We can tell him to bond him out. He can bring cash up here. It'll be a done deal, okay?
I don't gotta go there, but those people do that.
No. All right. Your car did get towed because he can't drive it. He's wanting to drive it. All right. So, as soon as I do all this paperwork, we'll get the bond amount. He'll come and pay it, and he'll be released.
It seems like y'all looking for a reason to like try and lock
Really
me
not.
up.
I just said okay. You're good.
Okay.
What do you want me to do? You want me to go in here and get my food?
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
I agree with him.
I'm gonna go over there with him.
He might have to call somebody else to bond you out.
Oh, you so sorry.
No, he's not. They just locked him up.
Why?
He was showing up when I left.
He was calm.
No, he was not. Because we had already asked him to leave because he was still trying to get in your car. And he wouldn't leave.
Okay, I need to just call my sister. She's gonna come.
Okay, so your sister, how far she live from here?
Where we at?
The city of Haydenville.
She's probably 15, 20 minutes
15?
away.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
No problem. I'm just trying to help you, okay?
I know, I appreciate it too.
In the state of Georgia, when you fail to provide an officer identification,
I
it's
can have
obstruction.
my attorney speak on my behalf, but
See.
you're teaching me something. I'm a business owner. I pay my taxes and everything. Like, I'm a truck driver.
Okay.
So, like, I'm not trying to give you.
I got a LLC. I got a LLC. Okay. I pay my taxes. Yo, what video was that where someone said some shit like that, man? Someone said something like that. I mean, we do so many videos on this channel. They all get mushed together. You know what I mean? People will text me or hit me up, be like, yo, bro, you remember that video? Yada, yada. I'm like, bro, I do 20 to 35 videos a week. Like I don't know. I couldn't tell you videos I did last week, man. Unless they really stick out. It's just whatever. We knocking them out, man. But yeah, somebody said, she said, I got an LLC, I got businesses. And it's like anyone gives a shit. You know what I'm saying? Who cares? No one cares.
I have a hard time with anything. I just literally want us to go home.
Okay, I understand. But in the state of Georgia, if you fail to identify yourself, it's obstruction.
Well, I know better now.
Okay. And it is an arrestable offense. There's no citation that I can provide to let you go on that.
I understand.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab your phone and your purse, and then you can go in your purse and give me your license.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
You're gonna walk up to that gray door right there.
Damn, he's smiling.
I got.
Oh, you got,
Well, yeah,
you got the file.
Yep, step over here.
I literally did nothing, sir.
Go ahead and step in, make a left.
I literally did nothing, sir.
Have a seat right here.
So how long before I'll be able to get out of here, man?
You'll be transported to the jail in maybe 15 minutes.
What do you mean transported? You said, would I be able to bail out for disorderly conduct?
Yeah, but you won't bond out from here. You're gonna bond out from the jail.
What jail?
East Point jail.
I mean, where's that at? I did nothing, sir.
Okay, have a seat. Yeah, that's too many.
Can I call my, I did absolutely nothing, sir. I literally went inside of.
Okay, have a seat, sir. You're prolonging the process here.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
What started as an argument between a couple quickly escalated. The girlfriend was arrested but shortly released after posting bond. Her fiancé wasn't as lucky. He had to be transferred to the main jail before getting approved for a bond. Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
He wasn't acting right. Yeah, in the beginning, I thought the dude was pretty cool. You know, he was standing there, but he wasn't really saying too much or anything. I didn't think he was a nuisance. But once she left and he kept on, I'm like, oh yeah, I see what's going on. Yeah, this guy, he don't get it, man. Just step off, man. The cop said you free to go. That means you free to go. Don't sit there and want to argue with him and go back and forth and all of that. Like, just go about your business, man. But nope, you push the envelope, so yeah, whatever. It is what it is, man. I got businesses. I got LLCs. I pay my taxes. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.